Hello everyone, so today we are back with another video, and this time we will make CPC comparison, that is the average cost per click comparison between standard shopping and Pmax shopping. So now for those people who don't know what is standard shopping and what is Pmax shopping, standard shopping campaign is basically when we use the Google standard shopping setup and we set up the campaign for all the products, or we can set up campaign for various product type. In the standard shopping, we are able to see the search terms of the visitor. We can control the bidding on computers or on mobile phone or on tablets. Also, we can include or exclude the products based on their performance. And for the Pmax shopping campaign, there are a few things that only we can do. We can only set up the campaigns. We can use various asset groups. So now, based on our best practice, we normally try to do is we normally have two type of assets over here. One is for the remarketing, second one is for the new prospecting visitors. So now, based on the performance, the assets will be optimized as needed. In the Pmax shopping campaign, we cannot change the bidding at the product level. We can only use maximize conversion value at the campaign level. We cannot change the bidding at the device level and so on. We cannot even see the search term. So now you are able to see the main difference between standard shopping and Pmax shopping. So now the main question is, what is the CPC comparison between the two? What we have seen in the thousands of accounts that we have looked so far in the last 10 years, we have seen that for the standard shopping, the average CPC is around 10 to 20% lesser as compared to the search campaigns, and for the Pmax, the average CPC is around 50% lesser as compared to the search campaign. So now you should be able to see what is the CPC difference between the two. If you have any question, then you can certainly contact us. We will be able to help you the best way possible.